Welcome to WS Spoken, your go-to channel for mastering spoken English with ease and confidence. Do you ever feel nervous while speaking English in daily life? In this video, I'll share powerful English phrases you can use every day to sound confident and fluent, whether you're talking to friends, colleagues, or strangers. Let's get started. Section 1, Greeting with confidence. Let's begin with confident ways to greet someone. Instead of just saying hi, try these powerful phrases. Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. What's up? Long time no see. How have you been? These greetings make you sound more natural and friendly in conversation. Section 2, Asking and answering questions. Now, let's learn how to ask questions confidently and respond naturally. Could you help me with this? Do you have a minute? That's interesting. Tell me more. I'm not sure I understand. Can you explain? Absolutely. I would be happy to. These phrases help you sound polite, interested, and confident even when you don't understand something. Section 3, Expressing Opinions. Confident speakers share their thoughts clearly. Here are some great phrases to express your opinion. I believe that. In my opinion. I agree with you. That's a great point. I see it differently, and here's why. These phrases show that you're thinking in English and taking part in the conversations. Section 4, Making requests and offers. When you need something or want to offer help, try this. Would you mind helping me? Can I ask you something? Let me give you a hand. Would you like some help? I'd be glad to help you out. Polite and confident, the perfect combo. Section 5, Ending conversations politely. Ending a conversation is just as important as starting one. Use these phrases to sound smooth and polite. It was great talking to you. Let's catch up soon. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day. Take care. These make sure you leave a good impression. Start using these power phrases every day and you will feel more confident speaking English, no matter who you're talking to. Remember, confidence comes with practice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WS Spoken for more spoken English tips, and comment below which phrase you are going to use today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.